In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI agents with make.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk a little bit about what make.com is. It's a platform that allows you to automate tasks by connecting apps and services seamlessly. Creating AI agents can enhance this automation process, providing you with tools that can understand and respond to requests intelligently. So, whether you're looking to build a chatbot, automate customer responses, or simply streamline your workflow, you'll find this guide particularly helpful. To begin, head over to make.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is a quick process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean interface where all of your projects will come to life. Now, let's create a new scenario. Look for the Create a New Scenario button on your dashboard and click it. This is where the magic happens. Here you can start gaining the power to connect various services and applications. In the Scenario Editor, you'll see a big blank canvas ready for your creativity. The next step is to select the apps you want to work with. Click on the plus sign in the scenario to begin adding modules. You can search for applications that you'd like to integrate with your AI agent. A popular choice might be an AI service, like OpenAI's models for conversation and text generation. Make sure you've set up an API key for any external services you decide to integrate. With your applications in place, it's time to set up the modules. Each module represents a single action that can be performed, like fetching data from one app and sending it to another. Take a close look at how the modules work together. You may want the AI to listen for incoming messages in one app, process them, and then respond through another. Drag and drop to organize your modules according to your workflow. Once your modules are connected, it's essential to configure their settings. Each module will have its own specific configurations. If you're using an AI service, you might need to provide prompts or details on how you want the AI to respond. This section requires some creative thinking on your part. Think about the kinds of conversations your agent should handle, and don't hesitate to experiment. Next, it's all about testing. Before you go live, make sure to run tests on your scenario to ensure everything behaves as you expected. Click on the Run button to initiate the scenario. You'll get real-time feedback, so keep an eye on the output from each module. If anything seems off or doesn't work as intended, don't fret. This is the time to tweak your settings and improve your configuration. Once you're satisfied with the test results, it's time to set your AI agent to run automatically. You can adjust the triggering events by specifying how often the scenario should check for new messages or automate tasks. Don't forget to save your scenario when you're done. That's a wrap. You've just created your very own AI agent using make.com. By following these steps, you've set up an intelligent assistant that can help automate tasks and streamline your workflow. Remember, the key is in the experimentation. Feel free to adjust your modules and their interactions as you go along. Thanks for watching.